Hi everyone. So in the previous video I have told you about the byte stuffing, and I have told you that for every character we have to add null, and it will be a very costlier method. But if we talk about this particular method, which is bit stuffing, it is used in nowadays and it is very much scalable than the byte stuffing. So let's see about this bit stuffing. Okay, so if I talk about bit stuffing, then here what we done, we actually just try to break the pattern which is matching with the EFD. You just understand it by an example. Suppose that my EFD is like 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, suppose that this is my EFD, and in my data somewhere I am getting 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, so what I will do, I will try to break this pattern in such a way that this will never match with this EFD. Okay, so you just suppose that yourself, how could you break this pattern? You can add a 0, you can add a 0 here, you can add a 0 here, or you can add a 0 here, right? But it will be more suitable if you put the 0 at the last place only. I mean to say that you can also put it in the middle place, but suppose that if further ones are there, and if you suppose put 0 in middle somewhere, then again EFD pattern will form. So I will suggest that whenever you are try to breaking this pattern, always put the 0 at the last place only. So for this data you will actually send it to the sender, like to the receiver, like 0 1 1 1 0 1. So when receiver will get this data and it will encounter this 0, it will understand that this particular pattern maybe matches with the EFD, and that's why the sender had put a 0 here. So receiver will discard this 0, it will discard it, and it will accept 0 1 1 1 1 as the desired data. Okay, so this was the first thing that we do. So as you can see that we are just adding a bit in our data, we are just adding a bit in order to break the pattern. So this is known as bit stuffing. Okay, so now let's suppose that I have a second case here. My data is like 0 1 1 1 0 1. Now suppose that this is my data itself, and when the receiver will start reading it according to this first scenario, it will discard this 0 and it will receive 0 1 1 1 1 as data, which is wrong because my data was this 0 1 1 1 0 1. So for this, a universal rule was developed that whatever is your EFD pattern, suppose that my EFD is like 0 1 1 1 1, this was my EFD. So you just take this EFD till the second last bit, I mean till this part, you have to take this EFD, and in your data after this part always add a 0. I mean to say that just take this EFD, we have EFD at 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, we have 4 ones followed by a 0. So just take this particular EFD till the second last bit. Second last bit is this one. So they take this EFD till this part, and in our data whenever you encounter this part, that is 0 1 1 1, and then add a 0. So suppose that this is our data. Now you can see that here it is having 0 1 1 1, which matches with this 0 1 1 1. So add a 0 after this, that is 0 1 1 1 and 0. You have to add it, just add it according to this rule, and then the further data, which is 0 1. So in this way, when the reader will read it, it will discard this 0, it will discard it, and it will add 0 1 1 1 0 1 as your data. Okay, so this was the concept of bit stuffing, and as you can see that for the whole pattern you are just adding a single 0, I mean a single bit. So you can see that it is very scalable also. So if you like this video, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you face any problem in any topic of computer network, then please comment me down below. I will try to make a video on that particular topic. Okay, thank you.